Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated drones on the market, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Known for its compact size, advanced features, and exceptional performance, the Mini 5 Pro is setting a new benchmark in the world of aerial photography and drone enthusiasts. If you're a drone lover or looking for your next aerial adventure, this drone might just be your perfect fit. In this video, we'll explore the features, performance, and why the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a standout choice for both beginners and seasoned drone pilots. Compact, yet powerful. A game changer in the drone world. One of the most exciting aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its small size. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, which makes it highly portable and easy to carry around on your travels. Don't be fooled by its small stature, though. The Mini 5 Pro packs a punch when it comes to performance. Whether you're flying for fun or capturing stunning aerial footage, this drone is designed to impress. What makes this drone stand out in its class is its advanced camera system. The 4K UHD resolution, coupled with a 3-axis gimbal, provides smooth and high-quality footage that will rival much larger drones. Perfect for creators looking to capture stunning cinematic shots, it's a top contender for anyone interested in drone videography or photography. Key features. You'll love ultra-high-resolution camera. The DJI Mini 5 Pro features a top-of-the-line camera with 4K resolution at 60 FPS. Whether you're shooting for vlogs, social media, or even professional work, the video quality is sure to impress. With a larger image sensor and an adjustable aperture, you can achieve incredible low-light performance and sharper details. Intelligent flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro comes equipped with an array of intelligent flight modes that make flying smoother and more creative. Modes such as Active Track 5.0, Point of Interest, and Quick Shots allow you to capture complex shots with ease, even if you're a beginner. Plus, the Return to Home feature ensures that your drone can safely find its way back, reducing the risk of losing it in the air. Obstacle avoidance technology. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its obstacle avoidance technology. With sensors that detect obstacles in the drone's path, it can automatically adjust its course to avoid collisions, making it safer to fly in more complex environments. Whether you're flying through forests or near buildings, the Mini 5 Pro helps keep your drone safe and sound. Improved battery life. Unlike many drones in its class, the Mini 5 Pro offers a remarkable battery life. Thanks to its efficient design and powerful battery, it can fly for up to 34 minutes on a single charge, giving you more time to capture the perfect shots. For anyone who's tired of drones that need constant recharging, this extended flight time is a game changer. Enhanced stability and control. Thanks to the advanced flight control system and GPS plus vision positioning system, the Mini 5 Pro provides incredibly stable flight. Even in windy conditions, you'll find it easy to control. The drone's intuitive app interface further enhances the experience, allowing you to make adjustments on the go and access all the essential settings at your fingertips. Perfect for creators and hobbyists. If you're a content creator, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the drone you've been waiting for. The 4K capabilities make it perfect for shooting YouTube videos, travel vlogs, or any other creative content you want to create. The portability of this drone means you can take it virtually anywhere, whether you're heading on a trip or capturing aerial shots of your favorite local spots. The intelligent flight modes also help you push the boundaries of creativity, allowing you to achieve cinematic angles with ease. For hobbyists, the Mini 5 Pro provides an engaging experience without overwhelming complexity. Its user-friendly design and advanced features offer a great balance for both new pilots and those looking to take their drone flying to the next level. Pricing and availability. The DJI Mini 5 Pro offers incredible value for its performance and features, and it's priced competitively in the drone market. You'll be getting high-quality aerial photography and cinematic shots at a price point that's accessible to both newcomers and seasoned drone enthusiasts. It's available through DJI's official website and various authorized retailers. Be sure to check for any exclusive bundles or discounts if you're planning to get your hands on this impressive drone. Why choose the DJI Mini 5 Pro? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a drone that truly punches above its weight. Its small size doesn't hinder its ability to perform. Instead, it makes it more versatile and easier to transport. With its 4K camera, intelligent flight modes, and obstacle avoidance, it caters to everyone from amateur drone pilots to professional content creators. The impressive battery life and stable flight performance further solidify its position as one of the best drones in the market today. Whether you're flying for fun or looking to take your aerial photography to new heights, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will meet all your needs. If you've been searching for a drone that offers professional-level performance in a compact design, this might be the one for you. Final thoughts. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just a small drone. It's a powerhouse that delivers high-end AI features in a user-friendly package. Its combination of performance, portability, and price makes it a top contender for drone enthusiasts across the world. If you're serious about capturing breathtaking aerial footage, or if you're simply looking for a fun and easy-to-fly drone, the Mini 5 Pro should definitely be on your radar.